Hello children, welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today we have recapitulation of so many topics. It's an overall revision. So maybe in the future you will be having exams or whatever, maybe your class test or the oral test, or you have your formative assessment. For that we just go for the recapitulation of the topics. Okay, what is recapitulation of it? Just revising the previous topics again. So here for that we have some assignment. It's all about the fill in the blanks. It is very simple lesson actually. It is all about our country and the location. Okay, our country and the location in the class 4, right? The first lesson whatever you have. So let's see whether you are able to answer this fill in the blank. Okay, it's like a small test for you. Okay, before I do, you make sure that you are doing from your end. So let's start. India is dash largest in the world in terms of geographical area. India is the dash largest in the world in terms of geographical area. India stands 7th in geographical area. Okay, India stands 7th in what is geographical? The size. Okay, India is the 7th largest country in the geographical area. So the answer for this is 7th largest in the world. The answer is 7th. India is the 7th largest in the world in terms of geographical area, right? Now let's go for the second one. The southernmost tip of the India is dash. The southernmost tip of the India is dash. In 2004, there was tsunami. Okay, all the eastern part of India, it's come from the Indonesia, in the even the peninsular region of India, Chennai. Chennai was the worst affected area in 2004. That time what happened, the southernmost tip, that is Indira Point, or it is even called as, okay, Pygmalion. It is even called as Pygmalion Point. Even it's called as Indira Point or Pygmalion Point. Okay, so that has affected and that's been submerged under the Bay of Bengal. So where actually Indira Point is in Andaman Nicobar Island. Okay, the southernmost tip of the India is Indira Point or Pygmalion Point. So you can either write Pygmalion or Indira Point. So I'll write for Pygmalion. So when it has been submerged, it's been submerged in 2004. Right, children? This is fine. The southernmost tip is Pygmalion Point or Indira Point. Now you can't see. If you just find out Indira Point in your map, in maybe some old atlas, they will showcase, but the updated one, they never show Indira Point there because it is completely underwater right now. It's been submerged. The southern part of India is dash. The southern part of India is dash. India is covered by 3 water bodies, right? In the east you have Bay of Bengal, west you have Arabian Sea, southern you have Indian Ocean. So it is called peninsular. It is called peninsular. India is also called as peninsular country. So the answer goes for peninsular. The southern part of India is peninsular. The answer is peninsular. Peninsular. Is it correct? Is it fine, children? The first is 7th largest country. Second is Pygmalion Point or Indira Point. The third is peninsular. Now coming for the fourth one. The Himalayan mountains runs from dash to dash. Just think about the mountains. Himalayan mountains, it starts from the north to the east. So it starts from west to east. It starts from west to east. So here the Himalayan mountains run from west to east. Right. Now coming to the fifth one, India is divided into dash states and dash union territories. India is divided into dash states and dash union territories. We have 28 states and 8 union territories at present, right? It's been changed. After the article was introduced under Modi government, it has been changed last year. So we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Please make sure that you need to be perfect with that. You can't say 29 or 9 union territories. 28 states and 8 union territories. Let's go for the sixth one. The temperature decreases as one moves from dash to dash. Now just see, observe here, the north and southern part. Okay, north it's always cool and southern it is always hot and humid. What could be the reason? Because altitude. Okay, the north part is far away from the water bodies, far away from the ocean or sea. Maybe that's the reason the north part is cooler than southern. So here, what is the question? The temperature decreases as one move from south to north. From south to north. So even you can say from Kanyakumari to Agra or Kanyakumari to Shimla, whatever. But we write here from south to north. Okay, the temperature decreases when you travel from Kanyakumari, and when you go towards the Delhi, you feel very cool in that particular area. So north is always cool compared to the south. Is it clear for you right now? The first is 7th largest country. The second is Pygmalion Point or Indra Point. The third is Peninsula. The southern country, the southern part of India is called Peninsula. The Himalayan mountain starts from west to east. India have 28 states and 8 union territories. And the temperature decreases when someone moves from south to north. Let's go for the next slide. Yeah. India experienced dash climate because we have Tropic of Cancer is passing through the India. So India experienced tropical type of climate. So answers go for tropical climate. India experienced tropical climate. Let's go for the next one. Physical features of India is divided into dash division. Physical features of India is divided into dash division. What we have different physical features, right? We have the desert, we have mountain ranges, we have plateaus, we have coastal plains and island. Okay, and what more we have? We have desert region. So all these we have 5 physical divisions. How many divisions we have? We have 5 physical divisions. We have 5 physical divisions. Let's go for the last one. Dash is the southernmost part of the mainland of India. Here we are talking about mainland. What is mainland? It is not tip, it's the mainland. Okay, dash is the southernmost part of the mainland of India. So where is the southernmost tip? It is Kanyakumari. Where is Kanyakumari? Kanyakumari is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, the answer is Kanyakumari. Okay, Kanyakumari is the southernmost part of the mainland in India. And southernmost tip is Pygmalion Point or Indra Point. Now you can actually go for the southernmost tip. Actually, you can go for Kanyakumari right now because Indra Point is nowhere existing right now. The dash, this is the last one. The dash in South America is the longest mountain range in the world. The dash in the South America is the longest mountain range in the world. We have Andes. Andes is the longest mountain chain in the world. Where it is? It is in South America. So the answer is Andes. Okay, the Andes in the South America is the longest mountain range in the world. So we have covered our country political division. We covered the physical features. Okay, and we have covered some points where the position of our India exists in the world, like it's a geographical. So we have recaptured all the topics what actually mentioned here. And this you can do when you're perfect with your content. So make the practice of reading your textbook, read, and make yourself so confident, children. Thank you. Thanks a lot.